Hello guys, good morning. Hala, namaos ako, nag-practice lang ko guys. Nangungulekta nga pala ako ng dollars. Baka naman gusto nyong i-share sa akin yung dollars kasi mayroon akong dollars. Pag pumunta ako ng Enchanted Kingdom, kailangan mayroon akong dollars. Tignan mo guys, bilangin mo, marami yan. Pero hindi daw dito pwedeng papalitan sa Pilipinas kasi may lukot na, tsaka it's look old. Oh my God, there's no old in US money, US dollars. Oh my goodness, guys, makikiusap ako sa inyo. Baka naman mayroon kayong dollars dyan kasi I collect dollars, you see? Yes, I have so many na. And then, if we're going abroad one day, that just in case that one day we can go travels with friends, I can use this, yeah. I collect like this, yeah. Not because I'm hungry of money. No, guys, I cannot swallow this, right? Like that. I cannot do that. Honestly, this is from my pamangkin. Yeah, at saka kay Dudong. Ang bait, no? Binigyan nila ako ng dollars. At saka kay Dave. Kay Dave at saka kay Dudong at saka kay GR. O, diba? Love nila si Mama Tani. They love me. Yeah. Honest guys, pocket money ko to nung bumalik ako ng Denmark 2024. Tapos nung nag-stop over ako, ewan ko guys, hindi ko na yung mga shopping mall doon kasi nagmamadali ako, baka maiwanan ako. Pero alam mo, thankful ako kasi na-save ko ito. Next time sa pag-travel ko, mayroon na akong dollars, hindi ko na kailangan magpapalit. Kasi mayroon akong Mastercard na pwede kong idot-dot ng ganun sa machine. Ayun guys, sana magkaroon ng laman, yung maraming laman. Ayun siya nga pala guys, may dollars ako, but this one is old. Yeah, I cannot change, no. This is remembrance only to my wallets, yeah. Pangpalaki charm ko to guys, ang aking dollars sa aking wallet. Thank you nga pala sa inyo guys, thank you so much. By the way, thank you and God bless you all. Bye-bye.